Good morning, children. I hope you have seen the previous video of the First World War, children, right? And the First World War started in the year 28 July 1914, ended in the year 1918, children. So before that, I have already explained in the previous video. I have completed all the causes which were responsible for the First World War, children. In the previous video itself, I have already told you the immediate cause that have taken the bloody turn and that make the war to involve in the war, children. The whole European continent, right? European countries started involving themselves in the war, children. And obviously, everyone knows who have started the war. It was Germany, children. And there was another part of European continent that was involved in the war was the Balkan state, children. And among the Balkan state, we have Serbia and Bulgaria, right? And against them, Austria, Hungary, and Turkey, children. So basically, Austria had a war with Serbians, children. Serbians were protected by Russians, and obviously, then Austria needs to be protected by Germany, children. So here, try to understand, children. The powerful countries try to take the help of these smaller countries, and then they fight the war, children. Then they fought in the war. Basically, like if German and on the other hand Russians were all powerful countries, children, so they simply fought with the help of smaller nations who were at war with each other, who were at loggerheads with each other, children. So here if you see that Austria got the support from Germany, so on the other hand Serbians got the support from Russia, children, because Serbian states always tried to give their support to Russians because they were all Slavic states. Slavic were the nationality of Serbians, children. So they wanted to support Russia, and Russian nationalists were also called Slavs, children, right? So and this Austria and Hungary wanted to dominate Serbian territory, but Serbians refused. Result was what, children? I've already explained you in the previous video. Like Bosnian youth Gavril Princip had killed the Austrian duke, which was on a visit in Bosnia, in a Sarajevo, the place in Bosnia, children. And with this the war started. So Austria sent a stiff ultimatum to Serbia, but Serbians refused, right, to hand over the criminals. And result was what, their duke was assassinated by Serbians, and this really angered the Austrians, right? See, children, what happened? The war begins. Now let's start now. So how the war begins, children? Austria declared war on Serbia on 28 July 1914. Children, try to understand. With this, because they simply rejected in handling their criminals, they refused to handle the main criminal, that was Gavril Princip, these Serbians. So Austria declared war out of anger on Serbia. On 20 July 1914, Russia mobilized her troops to defend Serbia. As I told you, children, when she was attacked, the Serbians were attacked by Austria. So who had come to rescue Serbia? It was Russia, children. And Russia warned Austria of the consequences. So what happened? Then Germany declared war on Russia on August 1 and on France on 3rd August. So what happened? Because Germany had already helped this Austrians. So when Russian attacked Austrians, so Germany came to rescue Austrians, and Germany attacked Russia as well as France on 1st and 3rd August respectively, children. Then see what happened is going to be an interesting part, children. Great Britain declared war on Germany on 4th August, children. And on the other hand, on one hand, Germany is declaring war on Russia and France. So on Germany now, which country had declared war? It was Great Britain, children. And Great Britain invaded Belgium. Why? Because Great Britain wanted to help out Belgium, right? And Belgium was, attacked by German forces. And Belgium neutrality had been guaranteed by England. England had promised Belgium to save her territories, which was now now being attacked by the German forces. So now let's see, children, all the big five powers, children. What happened now? So this way the war starts, children. So World War begins, children. Let's see now which big five powers were involved in the war, children. These are the main countries, including Balkan state, children: Austria, Germany, Russia, France, and Britain, who joined in the hostility on claims of fulfilling their obligation, made it a world war, children. Turkey and Bulgaria joined the side of Germany. Italy left the Triple Alliance and joined the war against Germany, and Austria-Hungary in 1915. Japan declared war on Germany with the aim of capturing German colonies in the Far East. So children, you can see very well that on the one hand now, what happened? German forces got the help from Austria, Hungary, Turkey. Though Italians joined Germany earlier, children, but Italians, later on simply left this group of Germany and they joined the group of England, France, and Russia, children, because she thought it would be more profitable to join this group, this triple entity group, children. So she has left that group. And on the other hand, children, if you see, Japanese forces too attacked Germany because they wanted to attack the German colonies in the far east, children. So you can very well see ki if they're attacking, if these powerful countries are attacking each other, so there were some common enemies as well who were attacking, right? So here the war, they started war, children. And whoever attacked attacked the other country, so immediately the next country came to her rescue. Why? Because they become the allies now, right, children? Let's see now the course of the war. Now how the war begins, children. The great war was fought on all three continents, usually deadly weapons on the land and above it on the sea and under it, causing heavy toll of life and large scale destruction, children. So this war was really very interesting. Why? Because they have involved the high tech weapons, tanks, submarines, children. And this world war was known for this also. German and England have used the best tanks, the best underwater submarines against each other, children. So this war was known for using arms and ammunitions, the heavy arms and ammunitions, the technical arms, that were totally laced with the high technology, children. So let's see what happened. So here enter United States. Now to make this war more interesting, children. So how come United States enter in the war? If you see, children, in the both powerful blocks, children. On the other hand, one hand we have Triple Alliance. On the other hand, we have Triple Entente. So Triple Alliance was formed by German, Austria, Hungary, Turkey, because now Italy had left, and Triple Entente was formed by England, France, Russia. Right, children. Later on, Italy joined this group now. So among this, now how America has interfered, because America was nowhere to be seen. But there were reasons behind American forces to interfere in this war, and on whose part? Obviously, the Great Britain's part, because America had promised to save Great Britain from the clutches and from the attacks, children. So let's see what happened, why America interfered in the war, children. So let's see now. For about 3 years, the scales of the war were tilted in Germans' favor. That means, children, German have been ruled for almost 3 years in the war. The German army could reach up to Marne River, only 15 miles from Paris, but the Anglo-French armies succeeded in checking the onrush of German army. For the first time, Britain used tanks, which became a major weapon in the war. Now, children, let's see what happened. German launched submarine warfare against Britain. They called their undersea boats U-boat. Britain's newest and fastest Atlantic liner ship Lusitania had sailed from New York for Liverpool, carrying many American and European passengers. A few miles off the Irish coast, she was struck by a torpedo from a submerged U-boat. It was sunk in a matter of minutes, taking all the passengers to the bottom of the sea. The people of the United States were extremely shocked. America looked offended, and on 6th April 1917, she declared war on Germany. This placed at the disposal of the Allies America's huge resources both in men and money. There was no doubt about which side would finally win the war. So here we reach the climax, children. Now at last the America interfered. Why? Because one mistake which Germany did was she had planned an attack on the Lusitania ship, which was carrying American passengers, children, American and European passengers, children. This was a Britain's newest and fastest ship, known as Lusitania. It was attacked by an underwater submarine known as U-boats, children. And they were not knowing that Germany had launched this underwater U-boats, children, which was loaded with missiles, children. And a few miles off the Irish coast, she was struck by a torpedo from a submerged U-boat. She was struck by a missile, right, children? And within a matter of minutes, the whole ship sunk, children. So leaving obviously all passengers, really, they were all dead, right, after the attack. And this really make America angry, and she interfered in the war. Why? Because she was now angry with the German forces. Why? Because they attacked the Lusitania ship that was carrying the American passengers, children. So I hope so this much is cleared with everyone, children. This way I've already explained, children, carrying many American and European passengers. A few miles from the Irish coast, she was struck by a torpedo from a submerged U-boat. It was sunk in a matter of minutes, taking all the passengers in the bottom of the sea. The people of the United States were extremely shocked. America looked offended. On 6th April 1917, declared war on Germany. So this way we have come to the end of the document, children. See, children, I'm posting many videos, right, related to the chapters, children. Though I tried my level best to post not as much videos, children, because we are having the online classes as well. I am conducting the classes on Google Meet as well, that we have already seen, children. And I try my level best to discuss the majority of the part, right children, so that I make you understand children. So don't get confused ki why I'm posting so many videos. I'm not posting so many videos, actually few videos are repeated. Why? Because they are mostly few videos are for commerce as well as few videos are for science children, because whatever the science students is is reading children, is seeing the video, the same video has to be seen by the commerce students as well, right? And after the class they have to see the videos children, whether they are commerce students or science section children. So don't get confused ki why so many videos are posted children, right? Few of them are repeated as well, though I tried to solve all the problems on Google Meet children. So in the meantime, complete all the assignment children, complete all the projects, right? And clarify all your doubts after listening to the videos as well as after attending the online classes, that is Google Meet, right children? Till then, thank you.